Hi, I'm Jane.
I'm Ann.
And we are making a recipe today that's not in the Prevent and Reverse Heart Disease cookbook.
But it should be, and it will be when we do another book.
Woo! Are we going to do another book?
I don't know.
Okay, maybe we'll do another book. All right.
Because this, you know, when you get bananas that are just a little bit beginning to get brown, they are incredibly sweet. And I tell you, I can't believe how amazing it is to broil a banana. So we want to give you some ideas today about what we do and we love. And it is surprisingly, amazingly delicious, and it's the quickest dessert you can think of. So if you take a banana that's brown, and you need to cut carefully both ends, and then you cut the banana right through the half.
She says we, but it's really her. I have not made this with her, so.
Well, no, but Jane, no, wait. I want, so, and then you put it, and you keep it in the skins. That's the key thing.
Thank you.
Keep it in its little jacket.
I was about to peel mine.
No, you don't peel it.
I know, I didn't.
And then these little red bananas are so fun. I happened to see them at the store, and I just thought they would be fun to use, and we could fool around and do different things on them.
I had some Siamese bananas there. They were connected. Can I do more than one?
Well, I think that's enough, because we've got these.
Oh, they look delicious, don't they?
And the sign on these little red bananas said they were especially creamy inside. So here we go with all these bananas. And the first thing that I'm going to do on my bananas is to put a little chocolate balsamic. Now you don't have to. You could just put the banana in plain like that. But I'm going to put a little of chocolate balsamic, and then a little bit, just rub it in a bit, like that.
Can I use other kinds of balsamic?
Oh yeah, or not. It just depends. And then I'm going to get some cocoa powder.
I have apricot here. Apricot. Bananas and apricots?
And I'm going to put some cocoa powder on top here. And when we made a little experiment the other day of different things to put on top, I loved.
That looks beautiful. Pear champagne now. I'm going to try another one. Don't you think that sounds kind of cool? Mm-hmm. Oh, this one doesn't have a nice spout. This is going to be oh, I totally missed. Okay, aim, fire. Oh my gosh. Oh, this smell. Do you smell that? Mm-hmm. It's like a Jolly
Well, you've
Rancher.
got pear champagne on 3 of them. Ah.
Okay, all right, this is a combo. What about these guys? Or these gals? These.
We'll experimentally do nothing. What, you're going to put a little...
oh, yeah. Let's try to put...
cinnamon?
So nutmeg should go with pear? Or cinnamon pear? Cinnamon goes with pear, maybe. An apricot nutmeg. I'll do apricot nutmeg. All right.
Is this cinnamon?
A little nutmeg. A lot of nutmeg is probably too much. Because a little goes a long way. So that's cinnamon with a pear. Maybe I'll try cocoa on one, eh? Cocoa.
I love cinnamon. I'm just piling it on. Should we put just cinnamon on this?
No. Oh, my head.
What did you do? Here.
There's nutmeg on there. A wee bit.
No, that's cinnamon.
I know. That's more cinnamon than you could choke a horse.
Oh, it'll be good.
It'll remove your gums.
Yeah, I know.
All right.
So anyway, we have this sort of experimental pile of things, and the fun thing is
chocolate.
No, this is my favorite, but you can now you're going to see when we taste that this is going to be better than that. More cinnamon is better.
This also has nutmeg and cinnamon. That's just nutmeg. This is
that'll be good.
Pear. We have all different kinds of things happening here.
Well, here we'll just have plain chocolate balsamic
with some cocoa powder. The cocoa powder makes it look so yummy.
Yeah.
Okay. So with the oven is on high broil, which is the only thing that I could do to help with this recipe, because you are the master of what this new creation. She was so excited to show us the other night when she made this, and we all gobbled up our little banana boats. What should we call this? What are you going to call this?
Broiled chocolate bananas.
Boats.
Oh, boats.
Okay, so she wanted the rack to be 8 inches high?
8 inches up for 8 minutes. And then they're bubbling and amazing.
8 minutes on broil. 8. Okay, 8 minutes. So we're going to do 8-minute plank. Ready? Okay.
Time's up. But we had some crazy things happen this time. So Jane is getting them out.
Ooh, they look amazing.
But what happened is that in our excitement, I forgot to kind of rub the cocoa and I put way too much cinnamon here, so the cocoa kind of burned.
Only where it was piled up too high. It started to have these little like fire towers of smoke.
But look how this beautiful, look how beautiful
Look
that
at that.
is.
Look at that. Oh, it's so hot. What am I thinking?
And actually, I think when we taste this, it's going to taste amazing.
Oh yeah. So you're gonna have
chocolate.
I want to try the cinnamon nutmeg with, oh God, was it apricot? Cinnamon nutmeg apricot banana. All right, it's a little too hot for me. So I'm actually gonna have Wade. Wade is gonna taste it. Cameraman Wade. Tell us what you think of that. Ooh. Can you eat hot stuff? I cannot eat something that. It's really good, but it's really hot.
But it's so...
Oh, it smells so good. How's yours?
Well,
Is it really hot?
Mine's good because I know it's good.
Okay, yours has been cooling for a little bit. I'll want to taste that one? Oh, that's really good. Even with like the little bit of the smoke of the towers of Gondor. We had so much smoke coming off of the cocoa. It was fun.
The trick is don't leave anything powdery on top. Kind of rub that in a little bit.
Rub it into the vinegar
But you
layer.
can see how even...
Oh, this is better.
That's really good. That's good.
Flavored vinegar or infused vinegar.
Play around, but realize that you can get these
Nutmeg.
beautiful bananas to just, even by themselves. I mean, just a plain banana broiled like this.
That was a plain one, wasn't it?
I think this may have been a plain one. So it's fun.
That's good. I want to keep tasting these. All right, well, tell us what you put on your bananas and what vinegar you have.
But these are such a great, when you need to have a dessert and quick one, this does it.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.